In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify NoOnes account. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account dashboard, you want to go to the very top right here where you can see your profile icon, click on that, and then click on account settings. When you do this, it's going to open up your settings of your account, and then you want to go down here to the bottom left where it says verification, and you want to click on this. And then here you can go to the verification steps for your account to get it verified. So as you can see, level 0 is email verification. So basically you just have to go to your email and then verify it there. And then whenever you do that, you can go to level 1, which is basically my current level here, as you can see, where you have to confirm your name and date of birth. And of course you can then start trading. And then level 2 is ID verification, which is optional. However, if you click on over here, it's going to show you what you can do. And then over here you also have level 3, which is proof of address verification. Again, this is optional as well. You could go down here and see what you can do with this. And over here, of course, if you want to get verified, just click on the verify button, and then you'll be able to start the verification process. And just like that, you'll be able to put in your info, your ID verification, your ID, stuff like that, and then the proof of address, and you'll get your account fully verified. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.